Hello to all, this is Ankit Trivedi in THS Academy. Now I am going to give you the feedback about THS Academy. And no, yes, you all are thinking that you have seen so many feedbacks about THS Academy, but this one is a special for me. Also because I have came from so much far, and yes, I am going to give the feedback right now. First of all, I want to say that this academy is not academy. It is a family for me because we celebrate every single festival together. And celebration of Republic Day, Independence Day, Holi, everything you have seen right now, and you can get the videos in YouTube. And after this, my mother was finding academy in rush, and then my mother got the THS Academy for him. And so my mother was thinking that I should join a academy for himself, and she joined THS Academy. First of all, she get demo classes and classes for normal days up to 7 days. After all, my mother think that no, this academy is too good. My child should also come here, and I also come here after it, and now I am here. And how I am speaking, I am fluent in 3 months, and because you will get so many motivational teachers, motivational batchmates, you will get so many batchmates, and you will get the best environment and the best atmosphere for you to learn English. And you will get so many posters, charts, and so many motivational things. Like you can see a chart here, and the thoughts are written in it of Swami Vivekanand, Bill Gates, Mahatma Gandhi, and everything. The batchmates are also very helpful for you. And after all this thing, I have seen that I have completed my 5 month in academy, but still I think I should come to this academy. Why? Because I am attached from this academy. I left the academy 2 to 3 weeks before, but then I think no, something is missing in my routine. Then I think no, I should come to academy again. Then I came back, then now I'm okay. And after these things, now I'm feeling so much good to come academy back, and I'm going to assure you that yes, you will come back to the academy when you have completed 3 months course. You will come back, and there are so many curriculum activities like presentation, group discussion, storytelling, random presentation, and so many things, celebrations. And when you are saying about random presentation, you will get 15 minutes for you and think about a topic. You will get a topic, like I have got a topic about newspaper. Tell about something about newspaper. You will get 15 minutes to think, then you have to say. But that is not like that everyone batchmate will get only one topic. Everyone will get different topic. So everyone can think from their mind, and who is not ready, he can say, oh, you can go first, then I will try after some time. And there is also a thing that is very good. Some teachers called you that why you are doing this wrong at the time, but sir didn't say. You can also use broken English, then you will be confident. Yes, I am speaking English right now. So after it, you will be like, okay, now I have speak English this much good. Sir will make my errors, okay, then I will become much good. And then you will become, after 3 months, you will become perfectly fluent in English, and you will know so many new vocabs and in storytelling. And here's so much good things like your batchmates will celebrate together to you. Here's a big family for us, and we will celebrate every single festival together. And this is a very good thing for us, that no, you are in an academy and you are thinking no, this is academy, here are teachers, they will scold me if I will do anything innocent thing, and the teacher will be irritated, they will beat me, they will scold me. So no, here is that nothing. You can be free here, and I am assuring you that you will come to the academy after seeing this video. First of all, you will get the 3 days demo class, and after that you should come here. You will get the permanent. If you didn't like the demo class, you can talk to the sir, or you shouldn't come academy. I prefer you this academy because this academy is the best academy in the world for me. And after all these things, this academy is the one of the most favorite academy for me. And after these all things, I am thinking no, this academy is best for me. So thank you and bye bye.